Hey there, wonderful parents and caregivers. We are thrilled to introduce you to our brand new kids YouTube channel, Sankofa Stories and Nursery Rhymes, where we bring enchanting stories and delightful rhymes to life, all designed to spark imagination and joy in your little ones. Don't forget to check out our website, sankofastorybooks.com, for more amazing content and resources to support your parenting journey. If you love what we do, consider supporting us through Patreon or buying us a coffee to help us continue creating valuable content for you and your family. Subscribe now and let's raise stars together. Teaching children good manners is an essential part of raising well-rounded individuals. These fundamental social skills not only make children more likable, but also help them succeed in various aspects of life. In this episode, we'll explore practical tips and strategies to help you nurture polite future adults. Model good behavior. Children learn by observing, so be a role model for the behavior you want to see. Use polite language, say please and thank you, and practice good table manners. Positive reinforcement. When you catch your child exhibiting good manners, praise them sincerely. This positive reinforcement encourages repetition of the behavior. Begin young. Introduce basic manners like please and thank you early on. As your child grows, gradually introduce more complex social skills. Consistency is key. Be consistent in your expectations and follow through with gentle reminders and consequences when necessary. Role-playing. Create fun role-playing scenarios to practice different social situations, such as when entertaining or dining out, visiting friends, or attending parties. Books and games. Use children's books and games that teach manners in a fun and interactive way. Explain the importance. Help your child understand the reasons behind good manners. Explain how these behaviors make others feel good and contribute to a positive social environment. Empathy and perspective taking. Encourage your child to think about how their actions affect others. This helps them develop empathy and consider the feelings of others. Avoid public shaming. Correct your child's behavior privately and calmly. Public shaming can damage their self-esteem and hinder learning. Offer guidance, not punishment. Use gentle reminders and positive reinforcement to guide your child's behavior. Avoid harsh punishments that can create negative associations with learning manners. Teaching children good manners requires patience, consistency, and a positive approach. By leading by example, starting early, and making learning fun, you can help your child develop the social skills they need to thrive. Remember, every child is different, so be patient and celebrate their progress along the way.